masculine, feminine, father, mother, son, daughter, brother, sister, man, woman, king, queen, rooster, hen, drone, bee, bull, cow, husband, wife, lord, lady, monk, nun, sir, madam, uncle, aunt, nephew, niece, actor, actress, waiter, waitress.
Present, past. I am, I was, I do, I did, I have, I had, I go, I went, I get, I got, I see, I saw, I drink, I drank, I know, I knew, I bring, I brought, I sit, I sat, I wear,